Hello guys, I'm Saturnax. Welcome back in another video. In today's video, we're gonna unbox a new phone in our family, the iPhone SE 2nd generation. Let's get started. Alright, so without lingering, let's just start and unbox the device. So this is what you came here for. We got some scissors. Here in my studio we have some apples, so pretty good. Alright, so let's open it up. We got this box here, let's pull this off. Let's peel the foil off. And this is how it looks like. I'm so glad that I can hold the phone in my hand. Alright, so now let's boot up the phone, and here are some other accessories. As you can see, the lightning port, the charger, and that's pretty much it. The back of the phone is just astonishing. I really like the black and white combination. It looks gorgeous, and I really like the logo moved on the center of the phone. Welcome to iPhone. Let's get started. And here we are on our iOS. Alright, so now let me just set up all of my applications and just see me in a while. Alright guys, so I'm finally back after setting up the phone and downloading all of the apps that I wanted to have on a new phone, and I'm just pretty impressed with the camera of the phone because it has the portrait mode and the photos taken with the camera are just amazing. Here you can see how the phone does the job with the selfies and some other pictures. Yeah, so this is the camera of the phone. And now I just want to talk about the reason why I chose the iPhone SE 2nd generation instead of the new iPhones with the beautiful full screen display. Yeah, so the main reason is the price. Here in my country, the price of the iPhone SE 2nd generation starts at $570, which is pretty big amount of the money, like for the 64GB model. But I don't want the 64GB model because I think like it's not enough for 2020, and I went for the 128GB model, which I paid for 2,400 zlotys, which is $650. I know, like for the $50 I could get the iPhone 11 and it would be a better choice, but not in Europe. Just in America you can just do it, but not in Europe. Yeah, so because of the taxes I went for the iPhone SE instead of the iPhone 11. That's the main reason why I chose the phone, but not only. I also chose the phone because it has the pretty compact size. As you can see, it's not that big. You can actually touch the diagonal from right to left, and it's just not a problem. But on the iPhone 11 it could be a problem, so I just went for the smaller iPhone SE. For an iPhone 11 128GB model, I would have to pay at least $935, which is totally unacceptable for the phone. I wouldn't actually pay that much for the phone. Yeah, so this is why I went for the iPhone SE instead of the iPhone 11. I know that the iPhone 11 has more features such as the wide angle mode, same CPU and same chip, but it has the night mode and some other cool camera options, but I don't need these features. And here's the next thing, the depreciation value of the phone. And I think like the depreciation value won't be that high as on the other more expensive iPhones such as the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. Yeah, so I think like it's the better option to buy an iPhone SE. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. I will for sure make some more videos about the iPhone, because that's also for what I bought the phone. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you in the next videos. Bye!